If you guys know me, you will know I try to monetize everything that I do.
Baby, don't rush this, take your time. You and me gonna be here for a while, okay?
I'm going to teach you guys how to get monetized on TikTok. And before I even started TikTok, I didn't even know that was possible. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys would know I've been accepted in the creative fund of TikTok. And this is the third time applying. I was denied twice. And I know exactly why I was denied. I'm going to teach you guys how to prevent that from happening. And also, I'm going to give you some tips on how to grow your TikTok account. So let's just jump straight into this video. It took me forever to start a TikTok account. I thought it was all for kids and then dancing and music. That's all I thought. But now that I joined it, it's something different. And mind you, I didn't even know you can get paid off of TikTok. So that's even a plus. Creator Fund. So in order to be accepted in the Creator Fund, you need 10,000 followers and 10,000 likes within a month. Also, you need to be in good standings with TikTok. And mind you, that's why I didn't get accepted the first 2 times, because I was not in good standings. As in, like, I had 2 violations. Let me just say this, guys. It's so easy to get a violation on TikTok. I had so many before applying for the Creator Fund. That's why it took me so long to get accepted, because I had so many violations. People was reporting my videos saying it was inappropriate, or I was cussing too much. It was, you know, mind you, I didn't even know. I didn't know how sensitive they were, especially on live. But anyway, that's a different story. So anyway, that's why it took me so long to be accepted in the Creator Fund. But you guys not gonna take that long. Okay, so I said about the followers, blah blah blah. What up? Oh, that's basically it. So you need to be 18 years old to apply. You need to give them your tax information and your billing. I have a PayPal. I just linked my PayPal account to it, and yeah, that's basically it. Now let's talk about the pay. Mind you, I just got accepted. It takes 3 days for it to be updated with how much you get paid a day. And it's kind of just like, it's kind of like YouTube, but it's kind of easier on TikTok. Okay, so that's one way to get paid on TikTok. And another one they have is a creator marketplace, but you need about 100,000 followers in order to get that. And on there, they have they have companies where you can reach out to them, or they can reach out to you, and they can pay you for you promoting their items and all that. Of course, I'm not in it yet. I only have about 18,000 followers now on TikTok, so you guys should go follow me. And lastly, of course, is going live. Now, when you go live on TikTok, it boosts all your views and also your your followers. They get to send you money, and it's not just it's like, for instance, it's like they can send you some hearts, and that's like, I guess, 50 cents. It's hard to explain it, but I'm going to probably insert some things for you guys to check it out. But anyway, so that's another way for you can get money as well. I know this video is kind of short, but that's basically it on TikTok on how to get paid off of using the app. But I'm going to do a separate video on how to literally grow your following, because it's so easy. And I know... I'm saying it's so easy because on Instagram, I only have about 2,000 followers. On TikTok, I have 18,000. And on YouTube, I only have 2,000 as well. So I only have 2,000 on each of these accounts, but I grow so quickly on TikTok. It's so crazy. And also, with the views, like, you can get 0 views one day. With the next hour, you can be to like 5,000 views. I think that's just so crazy. The algorithm is like amazing. I feel like YouTube should take notes. I'm just saying. So that's it on my tips on how to get money on TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.